All right, my nephew right there brought me down. Steven helped me out. Here we are, AA transmission. Just had a nice conversation, looked over all the parts, the work that was done. Tony's been driving the Jeep for a couple of days actually, and he's just really pleased with how it's shifting. So very happy to be taking the Jeep back home today. So this is all the electronics.
Yeah.
You see the contacts, solenoids are all going in here.
Yep.
And of course, everything is like magnetic on purpose.
Speed sensors are magnetic.
Yeah. Wow, so there it is.
All the metal sticks to it.
The W5A 580 Mercedes-Benz transmission, correct, Tony?
Yeah, yep.
Damn.
Yeah, or
there he is right here. This is the badass that rebuilt this thing. I love it, man. Thank you.
So, if you want anything, it's all yours. But once that metal gets in there, it started burning the friction up. It should be brown. It's black. So, there's just things I wasn't going to reuse.
Just unbelievable how many parts. Yeah, all new. Yeah, I can't wait, man.
Solenoids were cleaned and tested on my solenoid tester, so they work.
Yeah, so the solenoids come out and then they go back in. I see. Yeah, that makes sense.
They're no good. They get thrown in the garbage.
Yeah.
All right, but so there you have it.
All right, AA transmission. There's the specialist, Tony. I unfortunately had hoped to get down here with you and watch you to show people the specialty work that goes into it, but with the travel and my shifts, and it just didn't happen. But here it is. We're picking up Recon 2 today, so pretty excited. And just a little glimpse of these transmission cases and parts all over the place. Oh my God! All our parts. This is the transmission.
You can have them all. Actually, I think I do got to return this core though.
No. I mean, it would be fun to just talk about, but people, even the video will just show that this is in one transmission. People wonder why. I mean, look at that, man. Seals all over the place. You follow diagrams and shit when you. Sticker time. Take her up here to Massachusetts to do for us and get a Massachusetts inspection sticker on it. All right. You can see that Recon 2 is home. After I left AA transmission, I drove to a Massachusetts inspection station. Got my sticker right there, no problem on the Jeep. Everything was great, including the ball joints, wheel bearings, etc. But the vehicle has 95,000 miles on it, so I think I'm going to change them anyway. I know I need inner axle seals. I already bought the Spicer seals. I bought some lube blocker gaskets for the differentials. So you can see that I removed Chris's decals. I've got brand new decals already, Recon 2 in black for the hood. I've got my ham radio call sign for the cowl. And it was a very pleasant, comfortable ride home. This Jeep has 3.73 gear ratio with the 35s. Not really labored. The KM3s, drive for those that have KM3s, incredibly smooth ride. They are noisier than you think. On a 1 to 10, I'll give them a strong 7. But the comfort, the way it rides, the improvement in the ride compared to this Jeep and Recon 1 with the 37 Geolander XMTs is night and day. So anyway, happy to have it home. I'll be doing a lot of mild upgrades, detailing, and personalizing of this Jeep, as well as small repairs and just tightening it up. That's all. Gonna get this thing 100% real nice.